Meaning of engaging.
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 Engaging. Engaging refers to capturing and holding the attention or interest of someone. When something is engaging, it creates a sense of enjoyable involvement, connection, and interaction between the person and the subject. This can manifest in many forms, including through activities, people, content, or experiences. The result of something being engaging is that it promotes active participation and positive emotions in the individual, which can lead to increased learning, motivation, and satisfaction. Ultimately, engagement is a key factor in creating meaningful and memorable experiences that resonate with people.